What's up, foodies? Welcome back to another episode of All the Foods. Today we'll be trying gammon in Cumberland sauce. I'm not the biggest fan of gammon, so I'm a little bit nervous to try this one. But hey, you know, like the sauce might completely change my mind on it. You never know. So let's quell that lovely curiosity of yours and have a look, shall we?
Hello, as Simon just said, today we're making Cumberland sauce and some vegetable and gammon to go with it. Obviously I'm just going to sit there and eat sauce. So Cumberland sauce, where does it come from? Well, it's not certain that it does come from Cumberland. The origins are very hazy and it's a toss-up between whether it really does come from the old county of Cumberland or whether it was named in honour of the Duke of Cumberland. Now, weighing the two up, I'm inclined to go with the geographical connection because the first references to it in literature are from the middle of the 19th century, and the most recent Duke of Cumberland at that point was Queen Victoria's Uncle Ernest, who was extremely unpopular. So I don't think anyone had been naming sauces after him. I mean, there's a reason that the Queen's never revived. The Queen never revived that title since then, since Ernest. So yeah, I don't buy that really. Okay, so what is Cumberland sauce? Cumberland sauce is basically a fruity sauce with a lot of citrus in there, but it's also then soured slightly to give a sharp taste. And a lot of people say it's best cold. The food writer Elizabeth David says it's the very best sauce to go with cold meat. Well, that might be true, but we fancy doing a warm versions, so that's what's going to happen. But yeah, we're quite looking forward to this. Okay. This is just to show you what we've sort of all making the sauce with. We've got roast potatoes and carrots there and a nice gammon joint. Okay. Okay, so these are the ingredients for Cumberland sauce. We've got some port, some fresh orange juice, lemon and an orange. For the recipe you need to use about half of those, and a big tablespoonful of red currant jelly and some mixed spice, and then we'll be off. It's not too difficult actually, it's more a case of just getting the right balance. Yep, so we've got half a lemon here and then half an orange. And we want the juice and the zest, not the pith presumably. So we're just squeezing the juice out of the orange now. And now the lemon. Yeah, just having to remove the pip. And now we're adding the zest. for those of you who don't realise, the zest is like the top layer of the peel. You know, the coloured stuff. You don't want any of the white stuff going in.
For measure.
Yeah, and a measure of port. So that is roughly 3 tablespoons. So. Yeah, we've now added the 500 millilitres of orange juice, added that to the wine, the port, and now a tablespoonful of red currant jelly. Okay. And our last ingredient is half a tablespoonful of mixed spice.
Oh, cheers. Probably 2 of these.
Some older recipes have salt, pepper and mustard, but I think in this one the allspice is substituting for that. I've been informed that we now need to give the mixture in the jar a really good stir.
You can use the whisk if you want. There's a whisk or
Oh right, okay, where's the...
whisk is in.
Oh yeah.
Whisk in.
Yeah, you just do a couple of turns for the camera and I'll take over. Right. Yeah, I couldn't film and pour at the same time, so what we did is we slowly poured the mixture into the pan on top of the zest and juice and whisked as we did it, and we're continuing whisking now. It's all still cold, we haven't put it on the hot plate yet. Okay, we've now put it on low heat. You do have to be careful, don't let it boil over. Think about if you're making gravy, it's a similar process. And take it will start to thicken at some point. Yeah. It said in the book until the mixture is halved, which I didn't understand, but apparently it does mean in that context just till it starts to thicken. Once it does start thickening up, you need to reduce the heat. Now, we now come to the taste test. What does Simon think of gammon with Cumberland sauce?
Right, well, I will profess that I actually don't like gammon to begin with.
Okay.
So the chances of me liking this aren't particularly big.
Well, you have to just say whether it's worse or better with the sauce.
It's not my favourite thing I've ever eaten in the world. But actually, it's pretty good.
Okay, so better with the sauce than you were expecting?
Yeah, maybe I actually do like gammon.
I tell you, you've had bits off me in the pub before.
That's pub gammon though.
Ah, right.
Hang on. Alright, now it is Dad's turn for the taste test. See if he's quite as enthusiastic as I am.
Yeah, that's nice. Gives a
It's a bit tangy, isn't it?
nice, yeah, nice fruity flavour to the meal, and there's as I said earlier, a lot of people say, you know, it's best cold. So,
Best cold?
yeah, you have it with cold meat. But
Who said that? Satan?
who knows, Sam? But there you go. Yeah, thumbs up. We've done it well.
Yeah.